Hey, YouTube. This is a box that's just come from New Zealand. It's come from Brett on the DIY Charger Discharger channel from Facebook. Now, it caused a bit of grief for poor old Brett because this first one here died on me, and there's a fan sitting off the back here. Whoops. Brett, thank you for sending it back. It's all intact, and I'm going to use the right power supplies this time. You didn't have to send some legs, because I did have legs sitting here for them. It's nice to see legs. But yeah, I might have to send you a little bit more money, I think, mate. Because, whoa, that fell a bit, but that's okay. It's only just sitting there. I'll just have to find a screw to fit into that. It's all right. Now, was it up the top or down the bottom? Okay. Right. Okay, let's hope that that's right. Before I turn it on, I'll give you a quick look. Hopefully that's in the right spot, mate, because I do not want to stuff this again, ever again. So, and I need to cut that out. Yep, that's all done. Now Brett does a really good job. Make sure, I'm gonna have to pay him some more money, I reckon. So he's done a little bit more gluing here than what I did. A little bit less gluing there, but all glued down the bottom. He's glued all these in, so I'll never ever move them again. So that's that, and there's all the temperature sensors in the middle. He designed this board by himself, and really he does a work of art. It's a work of art what he does. Now he might think that anyone can do this stuff, but it's not. Everyone can't do this stuff, Brett. You are a legend. Here's my resistor bank that I kind of made up. Took me a little bit of time to knock that up. Awesome stuff. And here's the other board. So I was having a little bit of a problem with the other board, but he's actually put his own few. I'm gonna have to send you more money, man, because this is out of control. You've put your own resistors in here that you've done yourself, which is a great job. I'm gonna have to send you more money, man. You can't just accept what you've got. It might be a week, I'm sorry about that, but I will be sending you some more money to your account, because I just couldn't have done this without you. And there's his Wi-Fi setup. You set that up and it looks fantastic, and he's hooked it off. I'm not sure where he's hooked it off. Oh, he's hooked it off underneath there. It's really good. He's really got it set up. That one's got a Wi-Fi connection. This one probably hasn't. Oh no, it does. So I'm going to have to send you more money, man. This just does not. No, that doesn't. No, Brett. I'm sending you more money. I'm going to send some love. If you watch me on my YouTube channel, anyone, please, I'm going to put Brett's channel down below. Please give some love and add him. I know I've got 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate every last one of you guys. Whether it's doing electronics, whether it's going out doing detecting, or anything else that I do, showing mowers or whatever I do. I really think you should pop over and have a look at Brett's channel. Now Brett's just, he's not really getting started, but he's a genius with electronics. I'm just going to tell it to him right now. I used to be in calibration and defence in the Australian Army, and he is just unbelievably good with electronics. Like, yeah, just straight over to his channel, hook up to him, subscribe please. Like, this isn't for me, this isn't for my channel. I'm not asking for subscribers and stuff like that at the moment. I want you to go and hook up to Brett's channel. Give him a bit of love, and we'll keep moving along. That's a quick one for the day. I'm going to get these going very soon, and I'll see what we do. Okay guys, I was showing you Brett's models, the 8x8 Charger Discharger unit, which is pretty cool. This is a Canon 6 volt 1.5 amp, or to the battery 6 volt 1.1 amp charger unit. Now I don't want that, I'm gonna have to cut that out. But on top of here you've got a positive, and the top rail would be the negative rail, which I'll check in a minute with a multimeter. Then you've got an adjustment pot, so you can adjust it. So I'm going to adjust this so that I can get around about 7 volts out of it. And that should be enough to run the Charger Discharger. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, other than cleaning that up, that's out. Now, there's not much to it. A couple of pins. The center one at the front is an earth, right here. The other ones on the right hand side are your power. The one on the two on the left, or the three on the left, I'm not sure. It could be a positive voltage, but I'm going to have to check that with a voltmeter. But other than that, pretty cool. We'll keep moving along. Okay, so I've now, the center pin's the power, and the outside is your earth. So I've hooked it up onto my solder points there, and I've zip tied it up there to get it out of the way. I'm going to glue it in. I've adjusted that pot there for 7.35. I'd say that would be about right. So do not touch any of this back here. If you're a little kid, don't play with these. They're bloody dangerous, and there's a lot of power there and it can kill you. I'm telling you right now, get an adult to come and help you out. Do not touch this stuff. It is dangerous as hell. Anyway, that's it from me. Okay, it took me a little bit longer than what I thought it was going to take me. I had a broken pin on TP40, bloody whatever it is. One of the pins off that. And I replaced the main display because it had the top pixel out, which is I expected. I think Brett told me it was going to happen. Then I ran these two wires and double piggybacked them off those from the power supply because I knew that would be enough power. And I have the other power coming out of an old Canon video camera power supply. Yes, I know, Brett, you told me not to do it, but it works fine. So I thought I'd give it a try. So if I break it this time, I'll fix it myself, right? Anyway, still owe you some money. Right, we're gonna throw some batteries in there. We're gonna hook it up to our U-Butte computer and our barcode reader, and we're gonna get another lot of greys going. So I'm trying to get, so they're already finished. They're still going. So they're finished. See what I can put in there next. And they're about to go. So let's see what we can do. Anyway, let's pause and see. So I've got 12 batteries there. So I'll need 12 barcodes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into batteries and do a bulk load. So add new, bulk. I've got log in, of course, because I haven't been in for a while. Add new, bulk. So the battery is a NCR 18650. So we've got that. Look at this software, it's unbelievable. His portal is there. So join up, get yourself one of these machines and get yourself sorted. So we'll hop down here, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a heap of barcodes and I'm going to pop them in. so I'll pause now. Here it is here. I'll grab my barcode reader. Hold on, that shouldn't be happening. I was stuffed up, I forgot to put the batteries in. It doesn't read anything until you put the batteries in. Yes, Brett, I've stuffed up. I didn't know. I forgot that I didn't put in the batteries. I was too excited to get 2 of these going all at the same time, and I'm sorry about my camera work, that'll come out. Here we go. So, let's get some batteries in. The first one will be that, if I can get it in the right spot. Seems to be talking to. Okay, so here's the first one. The second one. Third one. Fourth one. And then it goes down like that. I like how it goes down there. So there's the fourth one. There's the fifth. There's the sixth. Only problem I would say is there I would have pushed the page down a little bit further, a return character of some description to get the page running down, but it's all good. It's telling me a duplicated battery found. Okay. Alright, so what happened there? It's saying that's duplicated. That's weird. B7 is duplicated. So let's go B8. Okay. And B9. Okay, there's one there that's duplicated. I don't know why it said it was duplicated, but it did. So, did that stuff that up? We'll soon find out. Kind of stopped it. So, no, it's all there. So I'll just add the stickers to them, and I'll remove that sticker there. For some reason, it just did not want to play the game. And I'm running out of stickers, but that's fine. I'll buy some more soon. Anyway, we'll add them and everything will be going all right. So high temp. Ooh. So no idea. It's getting a couple of faults. So fault high temp. No idea. Number 8, number 9. Last 3 on the list. But they're not even warm. They're cold. So no idea what's going on there. Anyway, could have been something to do with that dodgy barcode. Because it's the last 3. And it was the last 3 that I had. Anyway, that's it for this one. Catch you on the next one.